If you fail today,
nutsindwa uyu
try
munsi
again
ongera
tomorrow.
ugerageze
And
ejo
if you still
niba
fail
nanone ejo
tomorrow,
utsinzwe
don't stop.
ntugacike
Try
intege
again.
ongera ugerageze
Keep trying
komeza ugerageze
until you
kugeza ugeze
succeed.
ku ntsinzi
Remember,
wibuke ko
failure is not the
gutsindwa
end.
atari
It's
iherezo
just a
ahubwo ni intambwe
step
iganisha
towards
ku
success.
ntsinzi.
Life is not always easy, and we all know that very well. Sometimes we want something, but we cannot get it immediately. Sometimes we try one time, and we fail. Sometimes we try 2 times, and we still fail. In those moments, it is very easy to feel sad, to feel tired, and to feel hopeless. But if we stop, if we give up, then our dream ends right there. The story finishes without a happy ending. But if we continue, if we stand up again and again, if we keep trying until we succeed, then our dream can become real. This is the most important lesson that every person should understand. Keep trying until you succeed. Think for a moment about a small baby who is learning to walk. The baby does not walk perfectly the first time. The baby falls many times. The baby cries. Sometimes the baby even gets hurt. But the baby never says, "I will never walk again." The baby continues. The baby keeps trying, and finally the baby walks. Later, the baby even runs. If the baby had stopped after the first fall, then the baby would never learn to walk. This is a clear picture of life. All of us can learn from this baby. To learn English, to play football, to cook, to work, to start a business, or to follow any dream, we must keep trying. Many people stop because they want quick success. They want to win fast, and when they do not see quick results, they feel angry or sad, and they quit. But real success does not come fast. Real success takes time, patience, and many failures. Failure is not the end. Failure is only a step. Every failure teaches us something. When we fail, we learn what does not work. We can change, we can improve, and we can try again. Every time we try again, we are stronger than before. This is why it is so important to continue. Think about Thomas Edison, the man who invented the light bulb. He tried more than 1,000 times, and many people laughed at him. But Edison said, "I did not fail. I only found 1,000 ways that did not work." Finally, after many, many tries, he succeeded, and today the whole world uses light bulbs. Imagine if he had stopped after 10 failures. We would not have his invention. The same story is true for many famous people. Abraham Lincoln lost many elections before he became president. J.K. Rowling was rejected by many publishers before someone accepted her Harry Potter book. Michael Jordan was cut from his school basketball team before he became one of the best players in history. They all failed, but they all kept trying, and finally they succeeded. These stories show us that success is not about never falling. Success is about standing up again after every fall. Now, let us think about our daily life. Maybe you are learning English and sometimes you forget words. Maybe you try to speak, but people do not understand you. You feel shy and you want to stop, but please do not stop. If you continue, one day you will speak with confidence. Or maybe you are learning to ride a bicycle. You fall the first time, you fall the second time, and you feel scared. But when you keep trying, one day you can ride without falling, and the feeling is wonderful. Or maybe you're cooking. The first dish is too salty, the second dish is too bland, but after many tries, you can make it delicious. Every skill in life follows the same rule. Keep trying until you succeed. But how can we continue when we feel weak, when we feel tired, when we want to stop? The answer is simple, but not always easy. First, start small. Do not try to win everything in one day. Take small steps. Small steps give you energy to continue. Second, remember your reason. Ask yourself, why do I want this? Why is this dream important to me? When you feel hopeless, think about your reason again, and it will give you strength. Third, learn from mistakes. Do not just feel sad when you fail. Look at your mistake, understand it, and try again in a new way. Fourth, find support. Talk to your friends, your family, or your teacher. Sometimes one kind word can help you stand again. Fifth, be patient. Remember that a farmer does not plant a seed and get fruit on the same day. The farmer waits, waters, and takes care of the seed, and slowly it grows. Life is the same. Success needs time. When you finally succeed, the feeling will be amazing. You will look back at all your failures, all your hard days, and you will smile because you will understand that they were not wasted. They were necessary steps on the road to success. The taste of success is sweet because you know how much you tried. You know you never gave up. And this feeling is stronger than easy success. My friend, maybe right now you are struggling. Maybe you are studying, but the results are slow. Maybe you are working, but the progress is small. Maybe you are dreaming, but the dream feels far away. Please remember this. You are not alone. Everyone fails. Everyone feels tired. Everyone feels lost sometimes. But only some people rise again. Those are the people who succeed. Do not say, I cannot. Say, I will try again. Do not say, I failed. Say, I learned something. Your future self will thank you for not giving up today. So, in your daily life, practice this lesson. When you wake up late, try again tomorrow to wake earlier. When you forget a word in English, repeat it again and again. When you lose a game, play again and improve. When someone says no, try again with another person. Every day is a chance to practice not giving up. Life is a journey, and the road is not always smooth. Sometimes there are stones, sometimes there are storms, but if you keep walking, you will reach your destination. Remember the message. Keep trying until you succeed. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Lose today, but try again tomorrow. Do not stop because maybe success is only one more step away. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Keep moving forward. One day, you will look back and you will say, I am glad I never gave up. Thank you for listening. And now please go and keep trying until you succeed.